Hi, buddy. Oh, hi. Did you walk over here? Now what are you going to do? You walk back to Mommy? So you're phoning.
Put the phone on the couch.
Whoop.
So watch where you're going.
Who are you phoning? Phoning Grandpa or Papa?
What? Who's on the phone? Say hello. Oh, hello.
Mm.
Hello, sit there. Say hello.
Say, who is it?
Here's your toy.
Hi. Hi. Now where to?
Make your phone make a noise.
Where's your toys, buddy?
Where's your toy?
Oh, jeez. Bonk. Bonk. What you doing? Who are you phoning? Sabu. What? Where's Mommy? Where's
Hey,
Mommy?
Ian.
Oh.
Ian. What are you doing, sweetie?
No, you can't have that.
Come here.
See Mommy again?